Hello, everyone in the Honduras Hope Mission family. It's such a great blessing to be with you today. My name is Gunther Gallo, and I have the great privilege to be the missionary director of the ministry down here in Honduras, having the great honor to work with you to release the families and children of our country from poverty, which is true calling for everyone, and it's grateful and wonderful to work with all of you. Today, I want to let you know how the coronavirus has affected Honduras and how the Honduras Hope Mission is facing this hard situation. Families have succumbed to COVID-19. This pandemic has brought death to the doors of our front lines and our people. As you have heard, medical professionals predict the worst may yet to come for the development world, which is far more underprepared for testing and caring for COVID-19. All borders of Honduras are closed and national quarantine is in place. Public gathering like sport, cultural, and social and religious events cannot be done, and public transportation are suspended, and most businesses are closed. Only supermarkets, banks, and hospitals are open, and you are just allowed to go according to the last digit of your ID. People is not able to work. And as you know, the Honduran survives with less than $2 a day when they are able to work. This means our people is facing the worst situation ever, not being able to bring food to their table at all and have no income for any emergency they could face. Also, remember, they don't have access to a real and dignified medical access. Many people is dying in our country and more are getting sick. The government is not doing enough COVID tests and the virus is all over the country. People doesn't believe in the numbers the government is giving and they believe there are more cases than what is announced. While our center is temporarily closed to group activities, that doesn't mean all programmatic activities and expenses have stopped. Your monthly support and still vital in this season. Our staff is visiting homes or making phone calls to check on the welfare of our children and their families. They may be delivering medical supplies, hygiene kits, masks, extra food, water, and other resources to help during this time of crisis, and also praying for them and reinforcing the fact that they are not alone and guiding them to learn what God is teaching us during this season. Also, this crisis, we have seen the need of internet. Our kids, they don't have internet access in their houses, but thanks God our center does. So the kids are going to the center according to the last digit of their ID number, which is the only way they are allowed to circulate, and download their homework and they do the researches they have to do. As center, we have also regularly teaches the children and mothers about hygiene and disease prevention, especially hand washing. As widely reported in the news, this is the most effective way to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. I want to ask you to join us in prayer. Pray for our families, for their needs, for their health, so they can not get sick and especially that they can rely in God. Pray for the sponsors and donors so they cannot be impacted by the virus. Pray for the ministry so we can be able to find more sponsors and donors to support, especially in the middle of this crisis. Pray for the Honduras Hope Mission staff in the States and also down here in Honduras for safe and health. Remember, we need you. We cannot do this alone. God bless all of us.